Our last step in the analysis of categorical variables is to summarize the data. So we look for relationships and we describe those distributions. For instance, if I look at this segmented bar graph, we can look at this and we want to describe what we see. And looks like 40% is in the none category. Looks like about 20% is here. This is about a little less than 60 to about 95. So about 35% is there. And that's probably what, 5%ish, give or take. Uh, so if we have that, now we want to try to compare it. And so we can uh, say most of the data, most people who ate combo chips uh, had no bloating, had uh, no or low bloating. Oop, I'm spelling completely wrong. Bloating. Here we go. Uh, and that's 75%. And then uh, a small uh, a small percentage had very high bloating. A small percentage had high bloating. And that's just what we see. And we can talk about this being, average, but that's about all I can see when I look at this data set. It's a little bit more interesting when we want to summarize something with multiple variables, and this is more common. So let's take a look at this. Um, so if this one is none, medium, and this is low, it looks like bran and controls seem to have the most none and low bloating. And the combo has more medium and high bloating. I think that's the big takeaway here. The combo chip or cracker has more higher and medium bloating than the other two. So the combo chip has more medium and high bloating than the other two chips. That's something good for the researchers to know. Um, so they know that the combo chip, it looks like that's the problem. That's the one that people are feeling uncomfortable from. Where the other ones, they're feeling mildly uncomfortable, but not nearly as much as um, uh, the combo group. All right, now summarize the data that you have for the distribution of color and gender.